Do you know that there is a myth belief that success is related to IQ level, but actually it is not so. Psychological studies shows that people with low IQ level are more successful than people with high IQ level. If IQ is not the criteria for success, then what is the criteria for success? To know the answer for this, psychologists have done lot of studies year and year, decade by decade, and they came out with a concept called Marshmallow Psychological test to predict the success of individual. Want to know more about Marshmallow's test? Let's go into the video. In this video, we are going to see about the marshmallow test and the inference of the test. Now, let's see about the details of the marshmallow test. It was in the year 1960, a Stanford professor, Walter Mischel, conducted a series of psychological studies on hundreds of children aged between 4 to 5 years to understand the main criteria of success in health, work and overall life. Well, the study goes like this. Every child was led into a private room and a marshmallow was given to them. Now, the researcher gave a deal to the children. The researcher told the children that he was going to leave the room, and whoever does not eat the marshmallow and wait patiently will be rewarded with the second marshmallow. However, if the children ate the marshmallow when he left, they will not be rewarded with the second marshmallow. So, the choice was simple: one treat right now or two treats later. The researchers left the room for 15 minutes and the children's behavior were monitored remotely. As soon as the researcher left, almost 10% of the children ate the marshmallow immediately. The next 80% of the children tried to control their temptation, but eventually they were not and they ate the marshmallow. Finally, the balance 10% of the children managed to wait without eating and thus they were rewarded with the second marshmallow. Well, this test didn't get ended here. These kids were completely monitored for the next 40 years and the results of the study goes like this. The first 10% of the children who ate the marshmallow immediately were the people who didn't want to put hard work. They wanted shortcuts in life to win. They wanted to live a happy life without much efforts and hard work. And moreover, they were the people who were involved in crimes. The next category of 80% of children who tried to control but eventually ate after a few minutes were the average-minded people who tries to put up their efforts but many a times they were not so successful because of their distractions and unable to focus on a single thing. Thus, these were the average people struggling in their life, living in a safe comfort zone. And the final 10% of the children who didn't eat and waited patiently to receive the second marshmallow were the successful people with high scores in their academic, had great professional career, had shown better response to stress, had better social skills and social status. They were the people who put up their hard work and efforts and delayed their gratifications and became very successful. Thus, marshmallow test proves that one's ability to delay the gratification is the main criteria for success in one's life. Hope you got a better understanding of Marshmallow Psychological test. Well, to conclude, we can say that people who delay the gratification are more successful than people who immediately enjoy the gratifications. And the interesting fact is that before the psychologists, our Tamil philosophers have found this concept and they have written as an old saying. The saying goes like this: Poruthal Bhumi Alvar, means The people who delay the gratification and wait patiently will win and will rule the world. Hence, to succeed, you need to delay your gratification, wait patiently, and for sure, you can win the world. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please do share and subscribe. This is Devi Nyanashek.